welcome you to Abhyas Institute of Education. So, in today's video, we will be doing a very important and interesting topic, which is the greetings. In French, we say les salutations. Les salutations. Whenever we meet someone, it is important to greet, even if we don't know exactly what to speak, how to speak, even if you don't know what exactly to talk in French, even if you are greeting someone nicely in French, it will always put a good impression on the person. So let's start with les salutations, the greetings. For greetings, we have two universal words which can be used at any time of the day, which are bonjour and salut. So salut basically means to say hi. Bonjour is greetings, good morning. And this word bonjour can be used anytime. Even if you're meeting someone, even if you're leaving, you can say bonjour. It's very simple. Let's say it again. Bonjour. Bonjour. Salut. Salut. Now, the other words for the greeting in a day are Bonne apres-midi. Bonne apres-midi, which means good afternoon. Let's speak it again. Bonne apres-midi. Next we have bonsoir. Bonsoir, which means good evening. Let's repeat. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Another is bonsoir. This is basically the feminine form of bonsoir. Next we have bonne nuit. Bonne nuit, which means good night. Let's repeat. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. These were just the words of how we greet someone whenever we meet them in different hours of the day. So what's next? Next we have how are you? We say comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? Also we have comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Both the words means how are you, but what's the difference? We say comment vas-tu to a person who is younger to us, probably to our friends. It is very informal. But comment allez-vous is little formal. Whenever we are talking to someone who is not very close to us, or probably someone in a business meeting, or probably someone who is elder to us, we use comment allez-vous. Let's do a quick revise. Comment allez-vous? And for informal we have comment vas-tu? So what are the replies for these questions? We have few replies. Very simple is bien. Bien, which means good. Bien, which means good. Next we have pas mal. Pas mal, which means not bad. Then you can say ça va. Ça va means yes, it's going good. Also, you can use oui, ça va, et toi? Yes, I'm good. How are you? Oui, ça va, et toi? Okay. Then these are very informal replies. What is the kind of formal reply? You will say je vais bien. Je vais bien. It means I am going good. Also, if you want to ask someone in a very informal way, you can just say ça va. Ça va can either be a question of how are you going, and ça va can also be the answer that I am going good. Now, what do we say when we are leaving? We say au revoir. Au revoir, which means bye bye. Au revoir. Next we say à demain. Whenever you're about to meet the person tomorrow, you say à demain, which means see you tomorrow. Or you can say à bientôt. À bientôt, which means see you soon. Few important greetings you should know are excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. And you can say excuse-moi. Excusez-moi is used for the formal ones, and excuse-moi are used for the informal ones. Then we have Pardonnez-moi. Pardonne-moi. Again, we have two here. Pardonnez-moi is again for the formals one, and pardonne-moi is very informal one. So what is pardonnez-moi or pardonne-moi means? It is kind of a sorry. Next, we have s'il te plaît and s'il vous plaît. I repeat, s'il te plaît and s'il vous plaît. S'il te plaît and s'il vous plaît both means please. S'il vous plaît is for the formal ones. S'il te plaît is for the informal ones. Next, we have merci. Merci, which means thank you. I repeat, merci. And in implied, the person can say de rien. De rien basically means not a problem, you're welcome. Another important things are bonne chance. Bonne chance, which means good luck, all the best. And we have félicitations. Félicitations, which means congratulations. Congratulations. And whenever we are meeting someone who is coming to our home or coming to our office probably, we say bienvenue. We say bienvenue, which means welcome. I repeat, bienvenue. So let's do a quick revision of all les salutations. Bonjour. Salut. Bon après-midi. Bonsoir. Bonne soirée. Bonne nuit. Bienvenue. Comment allez-vous? Comment vas-tu? Bien. Pas mal. Ça va? Oui, ça va. Et toi? Je vais bien. Au revoir. À demain. À bientôt. Merci. De rien. S'il te plaît. S'il vous plaît. Félicitations. Bonne chance. Pardonne-moi. Pardonnez-moi. Excuse-moi. Excusez-moi. So these were the basic salutations, the basic greetings we use whenever we are meeting someone. I hope this is clear. I have written all the spellings in the video itself. You can copy them down and practice. Au revoir.